Let's start in a comfortable seated position, making sure your back is straight. You may lay down, whichever is most comfortable for you. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing up. Take 3 deep breaths through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Cultivate a deeper awareness of your body and its sensations. Pay attention to any areas of tension that you may feel. Then take a moment to breathe and allow those areas to relax. Continue breathing, and with each exhale, relax your body deeper and deeper. Your shoulders are coming down. Your eyebrows are starting to soften. Embrace your natural breathing and savor this sense of tranquility. This serene space is where your authentic self resides. You are present. You are secure. It is such a wonderful experience to connect with your inner self and just exist. Now we're going to do a visualization exercise. Inhale deeply and imagine a warm, positive light energy flowing in through the crown of your head. Breathe out and visualize that positive energy traveling down your spine and permeating every aspect of your being. Continue to inhale positive energy, allowing it to flow down and through your body with each exhale. Envision yourself in an energizing shower, cleansing away any old, stagnant, or negative energy that may be lingering. Breathe in tranquility and positivity, and exhale any stress and burdens you're carrying. Purify your energy with each deep breath, inviting positive energy to permeate your entire being and instill a sense of tranquility. I will now share some uplifting affirmations that are designed to guide you towards embracing your brighter self. You are welcome to repeat them, whether aloud or silently to yourself. When you do, genuinely embrace each affirmation within your body, allowing your entire essence to recognize it as true. My heart is overflowing with gratitude and happiness. I exude tranquility and optimism. I embrace and celebrate my unique brilliance. I am worthy of love and happiness. My life is filled with abundance and radiance. Now, take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Be mindful of your energy and current emotions. Remember, you can always return to this sense of peace and positivity whenever you need to. And remember, your peace is always in your power. When you're ready, open your eyes and observe your environment with a fresh, positive outlook.